Hey guys, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. Today I'm really excited to open up and give you guys a preview and my first impression of the brand new Brooklyn Bedding Signature Hybrid. What they've done is they've taken their flagship model, the Signature, otherwise known as the BME Best Mattress Ever, and they've turned it into a hybrid mattress. So they've removed the 6-inch foam core and they've put a 6-inch pocketed coil unit in there. It has over 1,000 coils in a queen, so it's a very good coil unit. I also noticed the box is quite a bit heavier than the original Signature was, which is something I like to see. Generally it means it's a little bit heavier duty, built a little bit better. So the mattress still uses 4 inches of that great Titan Flex foam on the top. It has 2 inches of Titan Flex on the top, the comfort layer, and then underneath that a 2-inch layer of Titan Flex that they call a support layer. That second layer is just going to be a little bit firmer to kind of ease you into those pocketed coil units. So the new queens come in at $949, but there is a $150 off coupon you can find at RealMattressReviews.com. So that brings the queen down to $799, which is a great deal. If you don't know anything about Brooklyn Bedding, they own their own factory, so they are skipping kind of a middleman. If I told them I wanted to sell a mattress or something, then I would mark it up. So they're cutting out a middleman. They manufacture themselves, so they ship very quickly as well, which is a plus. So what we'll do quickly here is get it popped open, and then I'll give you guys my first impression when I feel the foams and lay on the mattress for the first time. All right, I'll get started. Alright guys, we've got it all opened up. It expanded immediately. It was pretty much ready to sleep on or lay down on within minutes after opening. So I haven't felt the mattress or laid on it yet at all. So what I'll do first is we'll just push on the foams, take a look at the foam response. So pocketed coils are going to have a very quick pop up when you push those down. The top layer here is that softer foam, the Titan foam, and then they've got some quilting foam here in the top as well. Adds a nice soft cushioning on the very top. So we'll push in. So it pops up pretty quickly actually. That Titan Flex foam kind of has a consistency of latex. I think it's kind of a cross between a latex and a memory foam feel wise. They've actually got a little sample of it here too. So it pops up pretty quick, a lot faster than memory foam, more similar to latex with foam response. So I'll lay on it for the first time here. Alright, so right off the bat, that foam is very responsive. Feels nice and soft on the top. Feels nice and supportive here in my lower back area. I would say it's about a 5.5 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. So it's right in the middle of that sweet spot that's going to work good for combination sleepers. And I actually think just, on first glance here, first lay down, I like it better than the original Signature for sure. The coils feel supportive underneath, but have a little bit more give perhaps. On my side here, it feels really nice compared to when it had the foam core in it. So it really is a nice medium feel. I think it's going to work great for combination sleepers. It's not too soft. That top quilt adds a nice softness to the very top. And those Titan Flex layers can form very nicely. They have good pressure relief here on my side or my back. And when I roll over on my side, hardly any force pushing back up here on my hip or my shoulder. So overall, it seems like it's constructed very well. It's Brooklyn Bedding, so they're a well-established brand and they manufacture their own products. So the quality is there. It's got coils that come all the way out to the edge, so that edge-to-edge coil, that's going to provide good edge support all the way to the edges of the mattress. It's got nice handles on the sides that will assist in moving the mattress or rotating it, which if there's 2 people or even 1 person, it helps to rotate the bed every now and then to not lay in the same spot all the time. That'll help it wear more evenly versus getting body impressions in one area. So I would say overall, at first glance, the Brooklyn Signature Hybrid is well constructed. I think feel-wise it's going to hit pretty much everybody, but it's also offered in those firm and soft versions. This is the medium version, so if you know you like something firm, you could get the firmer version. If you know you like uber soft, perhaps the softer version. But this medium is going to be the best for combination sleepers, and it's certainly soft enough for me at 200 pounds for side sleeping. For my weight, I don't think I would want to go any softer. A lighter person that sleeps on their side, might want to go with the soft. So for $7.99, after you apply our coupon code, this is a solid deal. The mattress has no worry about bottoming out or anything, so I think it's something that will work for heavier sleepers as well. So overall, this is definitely a good option to consider. We're going to do a full comprehensive review of this coming up, where we'll do a bunch of performance tests. We'll have slept on the mattress for about a week at that point, so we'll have a lot of information to share with you guys on how it performed for us too. If you're not quite sure this is it for you yet, head back to realmattressreviews.com. We have tons of other reviews. On the right hand side of the screen, you'll see a tab that says Mattress Concierge. Maybe you're stuck between a couple brands, or maybe you're starting from scratch and you're looking for some advice. Fill out that Mattress Concierge tab, and I'll personally write back with some suggestions that I think might work great for you. I really appreciate you guys watching this unboxing and first impression. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.